Welcome to our countdown of the 13 most expensive buildings in the world. From towering skyscrapers to luxurious resorts, these architectural marvels come with staggering price tags and unique features. First on our list is the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Completed in 2010, this towering structure cost $1.5
The
billion
number you have
and features
dialed is not
offices,
available at
residences,
present.
hotels, and
Please
luxury
leave your
amenities.
message after the beep.
Next, we have the City of Dreams in Macau, a $2.1 billion resort complex featuring 3 casinos, high-end restaurants, bars, hotels, and an award-winning show. The Royal Adelaide Hospital in Australia is the most expensive hospital ever built, costing $2.44 billion. It features advanced technology and extensive landscaped areas. The Emirates Palace in Abu Dhabi is a 5-star hotel that costs $3 billion to build. It boasts opulent accommodations, prestigious restaurants, and grandiose architecture. The Lotte World Tower in Seoul, South Korea, is the tallest building in the country, costing $3.11 billion. It includes offices, retail space, residences, a hotel, and an observatory deck. One World Trade Center in New York City is a symbol of hope and
The number
resilience,
you have
built on
dialed
the
is
site of
not
the World
available
Trade
at
Center.
present. Please
It
leave
costs
your
$3.8
message
billion
after the beep.
and features an observatory deck and the 9/11 Memorial Museum. The Palace of the People in Bucharest, Romania, is the most expensive administrative building in the world, costing $4 billion. It houses government offices and the Parliament of Romania. The Cosmopolitan in Las Vegas is a luxury hotel that cost $4.1 billion. It features a casino, movie theater, nightclub, spa, and 3 pools. Wynn Palace in Macau is a luxury casino and resort that cost $4.2 billion. It boasts a large art collection, luxury suites, a spa, and a shopping mall. Resorts World Sentosa in Singapore is an integrated resort that cost $4.93 billion. It features a theme park, marina, retail stores, casino, and aquarium. Apple Park in California is a building complex that cost $5 billion. It features a ring-shaped main building, cafes, a fitness center, and is powered by renewable energy. SoFi Stadium in Inglewood, United States, is a sports stadium and entertainment complex that cost $5.5 billion. It features a retractable roof, sliding glass door, and a performing arts venue. Marina Bay Sands in Singapore is a luxury resort complex that costs $5.7 billion. It features a hotel, casino, mall, convention center, theater, museum, and a rooftop infinity pool. Burj Al Bait in Saudi Arabia is a complex of 7 hotels near the Great Mosque of Mecca, costing $16 billion. It features the largest clock face in the world. Masjid Al-Haram in Saudi Arabia is the most sacred site in Islam and the most expensive building ever constructed, costing $100 billion. Its expansion accommodates 2.5 million worshippers. And there you have it, the 13 most expensive buildings in the world. From towering skyscrapers to luxurious resorts, these architectural marvels showcase the pinnacle of human achievement and opulence. Do you know of any other expensive buildings? Let us know in the comments below.